In this tutorial wizard, we'll show you how to convert PDF files into Gerber and drill files, which are used for printed circuit board manufacturing. The first thing you want to do is you'll start off with your PDF image of your board. And you can see right here, I have basically a printed circuit board that was outputted to a PDF file. So secondly, what I'll do next is I'll start up the program called Fab 3000. And in Fab 3000, you can select to import a PDF file by going to simple import and then selecting PostScript PDF. But before we do that, it's very vital to make sure that you have installed GhostScript. GhostScript is a PostScript interpreter, and you can download GhostScript from SourceForge. Basically, you just go to the website or you Google GhostScript. We recommend the GPL version of GhostScript, and any type of older version is what we typically use. However, any file should be fine. In this version, we have 8.63. So basically, you'll need to download and install that first before you use Fab 3000. But obviously, we've done this already. So now what we're going to go ahead and do is import the PostScript file. And then we'll load the sample file right here. And then what you'll do is you'll want to use these particular settings, which mean page number 1, which is typically, that's the only page it has. Deviation is for the accuracy of the arcs. You want to definitely choose to have separate color per layer because each color is going to be a different layer. You like to have rounded paths because in Gerber files, typically all the traces are rounded paths. Fill mode, you can leave that alone. You'll definitely want to flash round and rectangular shapes and just use these settings here. Basically, that's it. What happened is now I load this in and you'll notice I have the printed circuit board set up and it basically has been imported. What I'll do here is I'll just scan each layer. This layer is blank, so it's not important. This layer is blank. This layer happens to be my drill information, so I can actually rename this. This layer right here is my top circuitry. And this layer here is the board outline. All right, so at this point now I have my 3 layers here at the top, the drill. So let's also go ahead and create the actual NC drill data that will be used. So we'll use this command right here. This is my true drill data. So we'll rename this Okay, so now we're pretty much ready to export this out. So you simply go to File menu, Export, select Export PCB. Here you can assign how you want to have your data exported. So I guess we can just use these units here. It's a good thing to make sure that if you're going to use metric or English that you keep it consistent so you don't have metric drill and English Gerbers. In any case, that nature, that's pretty much it. You can also generate different types of aperture reports and other things. We'll turn that off, but you can use it. We'll put it in. All right, select next. And in here, we do not need these 2 layers. And actually, we don't need this layer anymore. So you can just output those 3. Choose whatever folder you'd like to have. So we'll say test. So we just make a new folder. Select OK. And there you have it. All your basically your Gerber files have been outputted along with several reports. You just simply open that output folder. Here's all your data right here. So these are your Gerber. This is your Gerber file, drill data, and then a bunch of reports. Send the data out to your printed circuit board manufacturer, and you're ready to go. Thank you very much.